Hey guys, so it is December the 17th, my birthday. We already woke up like a while ago, had breakfast and all that mess. So right now we're going down to the pool. We don't really have anything planned for today, but this is our outfit. Just a swimsuit cover up. Same. Exactly. So it's gonna be a fun day at the beach. Maybe I'll leave the hotel. I'm not too sure yet, but obviously I'll be taking you guys with me. So cute. Okay, bye-bye. This dress is lighted up. I'm trying to find a flattery angle. Okay, perfect. Hey guys, so we have been on the beach for a good minute, getting a little sun. We're actually underneath the shade right now because it's too hot, but I got some alcohol. I've been drinking alcohol since I got here, but now it's official. It's official. I don't want people to think I'm an idiot, so bye. Let me show you guys the beach real quick. And the boat is still right there. Say hi, Latoya. Oh, she doesn't really care. But yeah, we're on the beach. Oh! What if that did drop in my face? I swear. Alright guys, bye. Ah! Okay guys, so we're now leaving the beach. As you guys can see behind me, we're gonna head to the pool. I actually got into the water this time, but we good it. This looks so gorgeous. I messed up my towel. I got some alcohol on it. The what? We probably need to get some jerk chicken. They have some jerk chicken over here, guys. So, but I actually wanted the coconut. I don't think they're serving any today. I should have washed off all the sand on my body. On my feet. And I'm not trying to mess up this nice slippers. It's the only one that me have. Really in the report, Jesus. Thank you. Hello. Just chicken. You got 7 more coconuts.
One for you too?
Yeah. What?
Just a chicken.
And some dumpling. And some sauce. Is he paying for it? Huh? You know him? Yes. Ooh. Oh my. Again. Oh, guys, we're doing the river rafting again. This is what is it? How to boat it. Kayaking. No, that's what we're doing. Bite marks on where? Show them. Shark bited. Oh my. We're just getting started, honey. We're just letting the wave take us wherever it wants to take us. We're just relaxing. It's been a pretty good birthday so far. Just been chilling in there at the beach all day today, so it's a pretty good day. They're all the way out there. We're not going that far. Oh yeah, guys, we cannot swim, and we out here. Look how far we are. If she wants to go all the way over there. Tell me if this girl have any sense. Paddle me. It's my birthday. Do what I tell you to do. When I tell you to do it, then I tell you to do it. Give me $6 million. There's no wrong way. Let the ocean take us. Let the ocean take us where it wants to take us. Pada. No, come on, mama. Hey, Woody. What? I'm trying to turn it. I don't know what we're doing. Paddle. Oh, I'm so excited. Well, you know what we're doing. Paddle, honey, paddle. Really, what did he say?
What are you talking about?
Hi guys, right now we're at my dinner on the beach for my birthday. I'm gonna show you guys my dress when I get back in the room, but this is our view. Well, my view. The ocean. I wore heels. It's sand, that makes no sense, but okay. Why is there smoke? I said, why is there smoke coming off my phone? Or is it a glitch? Smoke, or like a glitch. This is our first course. It is a toast bread with tomatoes. Isn't that what the guy said? We got the same thing.
What did he say the price was?
I don't know. It don't look too appetizing. Yeah, what you pay for?
For the
Here we have garden salad with salmon, okay?
Okay.
And basmati dressing.
Thank you.
Want a man live camera?
Huh? Thank you.
Welcome. Please enjoy, okay?
Thank you.
I like this place.
Thank you. Yes. They look so shiny.